Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to deactivate your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings. Here you will find accounts. So here you will find the deactivate account. So as you see here, click on it and then you must read this, your profile, posts, feeds, etc. Will no longer be visible. So click yes to deactivate, and that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.